In this video, we will calculate and account which one is cheaper to make aluminum spacers or TBSE insulating glass. Compare from three aspects: equipment cost, labor cost, and after-sales cost. Hi, this is Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization Channel. Follow me, let you know different glass knowledge. 1. Equipment cost. Compared with TBSE insulating lines, the production of insulating glass aluminum spacer requires the addition of 3 additional main machines without removing some auxiliary machines such as aluminum frame storage racks, including an automatic spacer bending machine and a desiccant filling machine, and a semi-automatic butyl sealant coating machines. Calculated based on the 6-year update cycle that is commonly used in the market, the annual equipment damage is tens of thousands, which does not include the cost of equipment maintenance. TBSE adopts a leasing cooperation method, with an annual rent of $200,000, free of charge. Maintenance, upgrade and optimization solve all worries in the use of equipment, reduce the burden of early investment, and easily keep up with the pace of industry development. 2. Labor costs. The TBSE insulating glass machine line has been fully automated, and the production efficiency of insulating glass has been greatly improved. After reducing the manual operations such as aluminum spacer bonding, desiccant canning, and butyl rubber coating, a line only requires 3 people to achieve continuous production. Calculated based on the average wage standard in the insulating glass industry, the production of aluminum strip insulating glass requires an additional expenditure of at least 200,000 yuan a year in labor costs, which is higher than the annual rent of TBSE equipment. 3. After-sales cost. Manufacturers who have produced insulating glass aluminum spacer are aware of the after-sales risks. Butyl rubber overflow and sealing failure will cause fog, condensation, frost, and other phenomena in the insulating glass cavity. Due to poor sealing, it will easily lead to low-E film failure, oxidation damage, and powder loss from desiccant result in dust and foreign matter in the insulating glass cavity. Errors and mistakes in manual bonding of the frames lead to abnormalities in the insulating glass in the later period. If the above problems occur frequently, not only will the after-sales maintenance costs be immeasurable, but also affects brand reputation. But when producing TZ flexible warm edge insulating glass, there is no need to worry about all the above possible after-sales issues. It can be seen from the above 3 aspects that although the one-time investment cost of equipment is higher for TBSE from the perspective of long-term use and operation, the savings in labor costs are significantly higher than the rental of machine, and the use of TBSE insulating glass line also eliminates the worries of later maintenance and updates of machini, saves the introduction and maintenance costs of automatic bending machines, butyl sealant coating machines, and other equipment necessary for the production of aluminum strip insulating glass, and also avoids many after-sales problems of insulating glass, establish brand reputation. Why not save labor costs, introduce advanced new products, stand out in the aluminum bar market with such strong internal role, and seize market opportunities? Okay, the above is the entire content of this video. If you are interested in my video, I hope I can get your likes and subscriptions. Here is Shandong Yuhang insulating glass line. The next video will show you some other different types of glass.